Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the network settings on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu. Next, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system option. Here tap on reset. And right here we have reset network settings. Tap on it, then tap on reset settings button, and tap on reset settings button again to confirm. As you can see, it says network settings reset. Now we can go back. And that's how you reset the network settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.